Welcome to my channel. Good morning guys. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ating new location. Ang ating para sa negosyo. Guys, ipagpatuloy natin ang ating mga gawain. Pagkatapos kumuha ng chicken na salad sticks kahapon. So ngayon guys, gagawa ako ng para doon natin iihaw. So ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ang area na chicken nasal natin sa pagdating ng opening day para doon natin iihaw. Guys, dito po sa likod, hindi pa to okay lahat, hindi pa maayos yung mga gamit. So bali guys, luma na po to yung nilagyan ko, pero ayusin ko to mamaya dahil nagamit na po to sa ibang location, yung dati na may location. So dinala ko lang dito sa bagong location dahil para less gastos na. So guys, mamaya lagyan ko ito ng lupa. Ayan. Para pagdating ng opening day, so ready na lahat. Medyo mainit na ang lugar na ito dahil ito ay nasa likod lamang ng space namin or dito sa aming tindahan. So guys, ngayon umpisan ko na para mamaya matatapos ko na yung mga gawain, at iba na namang gawain ang gagawin ko mamaya. So gagawa tayo ng pork sisig, stocks, at saka yung kawali, at gagawa tayo ng beef mami chunk.
Every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon. I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right line and the tan line. And the free line, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right line and the tan line. And the free line, yeah. It's color on the cheeks, yeah. So free. Wherever we are, let's dance until dawn. Music don't repeat. You and me, it's sweet.
Guys, kunti na lang, medyo okay na.
Crack up the bottles on it, on it, on it, on it. Caught up in the movement, just like a dream. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh,
Post nung guys, lalagayin ko ng screen. Ito guys yung ginagamit namin guys.
it's your fun time living for the hot life. With the right vibes and the tan lines.
Yan.
Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living
Ito yung
for the hot life.
ihawa namin guys. Yan. Guys, medyo almost finished na yun. So guys, hanggang dito muna yung video natin, at maraming salamat sa panonood, at bye bye, at see you next video.